All right, welcome back. It's Greg here again at Fully Tech. It's a quick little follow-up on my MTS 275 P. Still really love the machine. It TIG's really nice, MIG's good. Talked about my water cooler, but I want to talk about these Nova thumb controls. I finally got around to using the thumb control on my 20-foot lead, and it's garbage. Garbage. Was doing some stuff on boats where you're kind of manipulating and contorting and stuff, and the whole point of this is so that you can get into tight places out of position and then roll up and roll down, and just like your pedal but on your thumb. Great, it's going to be awesome, right? Here's the problem, right? And I think we have a right to be pissed off when you send out a piece of equipment that is going to hurt somebody. This switch, there's your sliding potentiometer, and there's a switch in here, okay? The switch is going to ignite your starter, and then the potentiometer controls your heat range or your amps. But if you listen, the slightest little movement, you know, you're rolling, imagine that with you got a glove on, right? Slightest little movement, and it's on. And that was what was happening, is like I'd finish a weld or do whatever and get set up, and you just kind of throw that over the boat to, you know, or throw that over something, and it'd light the damn torch. And then you got freaking arc flash. And I'm sorry, if your product arc flashed me, you don't deserve for me to be nice to you. You hurt me with your product. So I called Everlast because I needed to send me some screws and a bezel and stuff. And they sent that stuff all out. And I insisted. They said, okay, well, we'll send you out another one of these things. I'm like, okay. But before you send me something, right? So much of what I do in this shop is when I'm done, I test my work. You have to come up with a way to test your work. Whether it's a road test. Remember, complaint, cause, correction, and then verify the repair, right? Test it again to make sure you fix it. I asked them, grab one off the shelf if you're going to send it to me, and go out in the shop and test it. And if you're in the welding business and you don't have the ability to test drive a welder, get in a different business. Again, I still stand that their customer service is excellent, but you need to do better. Guys, buy some, like cut out some coupons, set up a little fab table, and run some beads with stuff, you know, like you're supposed to be the experts. So anyways, they sent me another one. I asked them to test it. Not my expectations, but I assume they're going to send me another one that's going to be just like this, right? Send the same design out. Maybe we got a bad one, but this one here is worse. Look at that. Can you hear that? It actually wants to fucking turn on. So Everlast buys this from Nova. Guys, this is going to be a recall. I am telling you, I really hope the guys at Everlast watch this video. You got to deal with this. This is going to hurt somebody really badly. And you're going to be looking down the barrel of, like, I don't know, bad stuff. Bad things are going to happen. So stop selling this. Nova, fucking fix this and test your stuff. You're going to hurt somebody. This is garbage. So send me a return label, guys. I'll send you this back. Trying to light. Thanks for watching.